What's up, guys? It's day 93 of 100 Days of Code, and it's your boy Kendall once again bringing you 100 Days of Code. And we're almost there. We're almost there. Almost at the end. Can you believe it? We're beyond halfway there. And we're not living on a prayer. We're almost there. Oh, man. Going crazy. So we got 7 days left of 100 Days of Code. Amazing to think about. Only a week. So, what did we get up to today? Well, first off, let's talk about the rules of 100 Days of Code. We've been doing it for long enough now that we know the rules are: one, we code 1 hour a day; two, we share publicly with LinkedIn and Twitter and all these different places about what we've been up to; and then three, we of course share our thoughts and feelings. So, what did I get up to today? Well, obviously, I'm doing this in conjunction with School of Code, the most diverse, amazing school for it's a coding boot camp for people from all backgrounds, cultures, diversities, all sorts of things, age groups, to break into the world of tech and diversify it in every single way and make it so much better and creative and dynamic and all those sort of things, of which I am one of those lovely flowers of beauty. So, today, what we got up to is we are in Project Month. So we are, at the moment, we are working on our team of 6. So I've got a team of 6 that I'm working with at the moment. I'm one of those 6. So I'm one of 6. And essentially, we have our sprints every morning. We had one of the other teammates be Scrum Master today. We're working in an agile way. So we did that. We talked about what we're going to be doing for today, and then we set up the arrangements to do those things. So we spent the morning looking at our high fidelity wireframe and finishing that off. We looked at our component tree and our user flow journey, and we finished those off as well. So we got those done and finished, and that was some of the morning. Then we began to explore sort of a little bit more in depth our tech stack of what we're going to be using. So we looked at things like Next.js. We looked at component libraries like Material UI. We looked at Firebase as well, and the capabilities of what it can do. We looked at Google Maps a little bit and those sort of things. Then in the afternoon, we spent some time essentially planning out sort of how we're going to break it up into tickets. So lots of different tickets. And we decided that we would use sort of a system where we would break up the components into different stages. So there'd be like a render, and then the render would be sort of like a rendering the component onto the page. And then there'd be like a styling of it with Material UI. And then from there, then it would have sort of more the props and states put into it as well. And then after that, then would then be testing. So we'll be testing, unit testing for each one of the things. So we had a lot of fun talking through all those sort of things, coming up with a plan, thinking about how we're going to implement it. We looked at Git Flow as well. Git Flow and how to do it. We did some practice with creating our own branches and looking at Git Flow ourselves and how to do that. How we're going to approach those sort of things. And I think all in all, I think we had a really productive and really useful day. So all in all, my thoughts and feelings are I'm feeling very confident in what we can accomplish and where we can get to. Tomorrow, I think, will be the sort of first official day where we're going to be looking at these technologies more in depth. As well as that, we'll probably be beginning a little bit of codes. So that's super exciting as well. So yeah, we'll see how we get on. I'm both excited and apprehensive because we've really planned and put some hard work into this, but I'm also very excited. So whatever the case, guys, that is day 93 of 100 Days of Code from me. Peace out. Keep calm. Code on in Project Month. And we'll see you guys again tomorrow.